In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone unavailable with Chromebook. Anyways, getting into it, using anything like that to fix the iPhone unavailable or security lockout screen is the most reliable way to reset your device if the forgot passcode button isn't working or your Wi-Fi is disconnected. Now, this is going to reset your phone, like factory reset it, and you can restore your data afterwards on iCloud or the computer backup. So what you got to do is download and open up the Apple device application from your Microsoft Store. And if you're on an older version of Windows, use the latest version of iTunes. And what you got to do is put your phone into recovery mode. So for iPhone 8 and later, just press and hold the side button and the volume down button until the power off slider appears, and then immediately connect your iPhone to the computer or Chromebook while holding the side button. And then while keeping that button held, release it only when you see an image of a cable pointing towards the computer icon. Then just click the iPhone icon in the Apple Devices app or iTunes, and then just choose Restore. Make sure you choose Restore and don't choose Update, as it rarely works for forgotten passcode. And then just wait for the download to, process for the iOS software on your PC. And then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.